Hello and welcome to Beck's Armory. So today we're going to take a little break from building the 2x72 grinder, and we're going to talk about the worst tool that money can buy from Harbor Freight. Now, I'm not anti-Harbor Freight. I buy a ton of stuff from Harbor Freight just because, you know, sometimes you need it right now, and they have a big selection, and it's some of their stuff is just fine. I've found a lot of things that are great, some things that are just total trash. Something that, you know, has turned out really great are these were C-clamps. I cut the bottom off and I welded on a little dowel, and I used that in my my table here. So I just put that in. Right, yeah, so it's a great clamp. So some things, you know, on Harbor Freight are super great. Other things are terrible. And when I say terrible, I mean really terrible. So I bought this 3-piece set, and you know, they look decent, but they're terrible. So the insides, the threads on these things are a joke. They're so bad they wouldn't even get, one of these would not even get tight. And I don't know if the camera will focus or not, but they're just a total joke. There's so much resistance, you can't hand tighten them. You have to like put them in a vise or use pliers, and even then you'll tighten them as tight as you can, and it's still kind of loose and wobbly. They're absolute junk. So before you consider buying a set of these from Harbor Freight, don't waste your money. I have this one here, which I think might be an Irwin, and it's great.
Dad?
Yeah, my battery's about to die. Anyways, I gotta wrap this up before the battery dies. Long story short, do not buy this three pack of tap wrenches from Harbor Freight. It's a waste of your money. It's not worth even half of what you're gonna pay for them. So these are gonna go in the trash, and I'm gonna have to buy some legit ones. Anyways, thanks for watching. I just wanted to bring this little public service announcement to everybody, because I'm sure a lot of you, including myself, you know, we shop at Harbor Freight. There's some great deals to be had, and this is one of them you should pass on. Anyway, if you've gotten anything out of this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. And thank you once again for watching. Have a great day.